In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, select Edit, and now click on camera icon. And you can either take a photo if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose something from your own gallery. Let me choose a photo, then just pick the album, tap on Allow, wakey. Okay, so this album is not cooperating, so let me pick the default photos, and I will pick some screenshot. Then you can crop it, and then click on Done. Click on Save then, and from now on this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime Lily will be calling you, you will be able to see this setup picture at first. It's not the greatest one, but still this is how it works. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.